Half a century since humans last walked on the moon, NASA is ready to return. Tonight, 9 News takes you for a behind-the-scenes look inside Mission Control Houston as they prepare for blast-off to the lunar surface and beyond.
You're looking at the most powerful rocket ever built. Nearly 100 metres tall, packing 8.8 million pounds of thrust. The Space Launch System is about to begin a new era in human space exploration.
To all of us that gaze up at the moon, dreaming of the day humankind returns to the lunar surface, folks, we're here.
NASA's Johnson Space Centre in Houston is abuzz.
Everything's coming together. It's like we're getting to this critical mass.
Preparing to land the first woman and first person of colour on the moon as soon as 2025.
The thought of just being on the surface of the moon, living and working there, and looking back at our home planet, it's hard to imagine that as reality.
Jasmine Mogbelli is one of 42 astronauts eligible for the Artemis mission, which will go where no spacecraft has gone before. The lunar South Pole, 350,000 kilometres from Earth.
We're also talking about staying on the surface, not just going there and coming back, but setting up an entire lunar camp there.
Under construction, a mini space station to orbit the moon as a staging point for human access.
When you have to go from orbit around the moon to the surface, back to orbit around the moon, and then get back to Earth, and then safely land on Earth, the complexity of that mission is way higher.
In this enormous underwater training facility, astronauts practice moonwalking and collecting samples. And the Orion crew capsule, which will be stacked on top of the rocket, is almost ready to fly. We went inside the replica used for training.
So this is the astronauts' ride to the moon, but for the first mission these seats will be carrying mannequins, and that's so that NASA can really test the limits in terms of radiation exposure and the impacts of extreme heat and speed.
Artemis 1 will be a 6-week mission around the moon, exploring and experimenting.
We absolutely have to find out, number one, that we can launch crew members safely to the moon and bring them back safely.
Artemis 2 will have a crew to orbit the moon by 2024. Then Artemis 3 will make a lunar landing and history.
At the heart of it all, Mission Control, the centre of communication between Earth and space. From this room, flight controllers will oversee the Artemis missions, building on the legacy of the Apollo generation.
And looking beyond the moon.
But our ultimate goal is to go deeper into space and actually put humans on Mars.
Artemis 1 is slated for blast-off from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida at the end of the month. At Mission Control, Houston, Amelia Adams, 9 News.
Time now for your full weather forecast with Gary Youngberry. Gaz, how's the week going to play out?
Well, John, it'll be a chilly start to your Monday morning. In fact, the next few mornings will be rather cool, but we should see some really nice days. A great week of weather for the Ekka, but by the end of the week, we will see, a very good chance of a few showers. A bit like this weekend, the showers will be on Saturday. It will clear for a mostly sunny Sunday, but the working week is looking mostly fine. Let's take a look at temperatures across southeast Queensland, and already a little bit fresh this morning. It did get down to 4 degrees around Gatton, Ipswich and Greenbank, just 1 degree in Warwick. Daytime temperatures were slightly below average, still 23 the high in Redcliffe, 22 in Brisbane, Ipswich, Archerfield, Caboolture, Desert and Logan, 21 on the Sunshine Coast and Coolangatta. On the weather map, a cold front and a trough crossing WA will produce gusty wind showers and storms. A high pressure system will bring a cold and foggy morning across the southeastern corner of Australia, while onshore winds will drive showers over Tassie, Victoria and New South Wales. Interstate for the capital, showers for Perth and Sydney, early frost in Canberra, sunny and 22 in Alice Springs, sunny and 33 for Darwin. Queensland, a possible shower in Cairns, then fine for Townsville and Mackay, sunny and 23 in Gladstone and Rocky, sunny and low 20s across the Wide Bay and Burnett, sunny, dry and cooler inland with early frost patches in the Maranoa. Here in the southeast, expect sunshine, light winds tomorrow. It will be cold overnight, single-digit temperatures across all the suburbs, while daytime temperatures reaching into the low 20s, 22 the max tomorrow for Ipswich. Moreton Bay, southwesterlies 10 to 15 knots. They'll be southeast by the middle of the day. The seas to 1 metre on the bay, up to 2 metres offshore. Brizzy, sunny, light winds, down to 9 overnight, a top of 21 degrees. The 7-day outlook, well, sunny and 21 Tuesday, partly cloudy and 21 as we move into Wednesday and Thursday. Possible shower Friday, but a few showers on Saturday, anywhere between 1 and, well, maybe not quite 10 millimetres. Ipswich, mostly sunny and 22 Tuesday, partly cloudy, 22 Wednesday and Thursday, a shower or two developing Saturday. For the Gold Coast, mostly sunny, 20 Tuesday, partly cloudy, and 20 again Wednesday and Thursday. A shower or two Friday possible, but increasing to scattered showers on Saturday. For the Sunshine Coast, sunny and 20 Tuesday, mostly sunny and 20 Wednesday, cloud increasing Thursday, cloudy Friday with a possible shower, and then we're likely to see just a few scattered showers on Saturday, but it will clear up for a mostly sunny Sunday. At least most of the week looking good, the forecast for the Eka Jono. It might be a little bit of a damp day just to wrap it up.
There won't be too many complaints with that forecast, guys. Thank you. Now, before we go, here's Tara Brown with a quick look at what's coming up tonight on 60 Minutes.
Thanks, Jono. Tonight,
we felt deceived.
The brand new private hospital.
They said it was a fully equipped emergency department
That boasted it was state-of-the-art.
We felt she would be safe.
But when this pregnant mum went there with a fever,
they had no obstetricians.
The next day, she and her unborn baby were dead.
It haunts us. It absolutely haunts us.
How did it go so wrong?
The truth's missing somewhere.
That's tonight after the block. Back to you, Jono.
Tara, thank you. And that is 9 News Queensland this Sunday. Thanks for your company. I'm Jonathan Upton. From all of us here, good night.